Hello again my Mac friends. It's me again, I am your Mac and Soft Daddy DIY. And who's your loving daddy? OpenCore Legacy Patcher. With the release of OpenCore Legacy Patcher v0.3.20.3.3, we've implemented a brand new, spoofless approach for native OS usage. Previously we would attempt to pass ourselves a native Mac to pass OS checks, however this forced us to implement numerous patches that Apple coded for the model we set. With the spoofless approach, we're using the VMM masking to hide ourselves as a virtual machine, allowing for far greater flexibility with drivers and OS support. However, because of this switch, some applications may detect that the machine has been changed and ask to re-sign in. This is expected for users who are upgrading from 0.3.1 to 0.3.2.0.3.3. Note 1. Models with AMD Polaris GPUs will retain minimal spoofing to ensure hardware acceleration support. Users can customize this via the TUI under Patcher Settings, SMBIOS Settings, Set SMBIOS Spoof Level. Note 2. macOS 12.1 may not show up initially. This is an Apple bug affecting virtual machines. Either wait for Apple to resolve or set spoof level to minimal or higher. Please see additional notes before updating. VMM usage notes. HD 3000 IGPU note: because of the switch to spoofless, the Intel HD 3000 drivers need to patch the boarded of the machine, otherwise causing a black screen with the new IFI. We recommend users either attempt to unpatch macOS, reboot and repatch with spoofless booted. Only recommended for macOS Monterey. Reinstall macOS to clear itself of root patches. Recommended for Big Sur and older. Set minimal or higher spoofing to retain the current boarded. Available with TUI. Patcher Settings, SMBIOS Settings, Set SMBIOS Spoof Level. After downloading the TUI app, go to Finder, then search into Downloads folder, and there drag it down to Applications folder. Click and replace the older version. Then check the version of OpenCore if it's in 0.3.3. Now double click to verify and opening. And now we are ready. Go to terminal. Let's click in the new OpenCore app. Double click to open terminal 0.3.3. We are now going to Patcher Settings. OpenCore Legacy Patcher version 0.3.3. Selected model MacBook Pro 2010. It says here that this model is supported. Now choices are here of what you wanna do. Number 1. Build OpenCore. Number 2. Install OpenCore to USB or internal hard drive. Number 3. Post-install volume patch. Number 4. Change model. Number 5. Patcher Settings. Number 6. Installer creation. Number 7. Credits. Or 8. Q. To quit. Let's click on number 5. Patcher Settings. Then number 5, again for miscellaneous settings. Heat. Enter. Now in the miscellaneous settings, we are going to choose number 1. As you can see, it's currently in true option. Then, click number 1 to set show picker mode. Now set OpenCore picker mode. By default, OpenCore will show its boot picker each time on boot up. However, this can be disabled by default and be shown on command by repeatedly pressing escape key. Now show OpenCore by default, yes or no. Then press N for no. Again, press enter. As you can see, the picker mode is now in false option. Then press Q to quit. Q to quit again to go back and build, and for you to download the package contents. And let's build those settings to its temporary file locations. Let's click on number 1 to build OpenCore. Now it's building configurations on model MacBook Pro 2010. Created build folder. There it goes, our files are now built to temporary locations. Press enter to continue. And now we can install those settings that we build to our internal hard drive, and we click on number 2. And it's installing. Now you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. It's now installing OpenCore to drive. Disk picker is loading. Select disk. Missing disks. Ensure they have an EFI or FAT partition. Selections are 0 disk 0 or B if there's any drives in your machine. Please select the disk you would like to install OpenCore to, then press 0. Press enter to continue. Select partition. Missing partitions, ensure they are formatted as an EFI or FAT32. Selections are disk 0S1, EFI B back. Choose disk EFI. Press number 1. Then there you must enter a administrative password, and there you go. Then press enter as usual. Click the OK button. TS. Now, copying OpenCore, removing pre-existing EFIOC folder, removing pre-existing system folder, copying OpenCore onto EFI partition, adding SSD icon, cleaning install location, unmounting EFI partition, press enter. Press enter to continue. There you have it, it's done. Now our unsupported Mac is now having a brand new version of OpenCore Legacy Patcher 0.3.3, and it's ready to use for our macOS 12.1 Monterey. How do you like that, baby? Who's your daddy? Then press Q to quit to save. Then let's restart the machine. Thank you again for this wonderful time sparing your time with me. Thanks for watching, and if you happen to like this video, give us a like, hit that thumbs up, and make it color blue. Slap the bell icon, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I'm your Mac and Soft Daddy DIY saying peace and out. Adios.